Welcome friends to my channel Rax Rahul. Today I will show you how to set up Apache Kafka Broker in Ubuntu. So first of all you will have to download the Kafka server from this link I have mentioned here. I will also mention this link in the description, and you can also search here for Apache Kafka. It will show the first link. Click on the first link and here you can see this download button, and from here you can download any of the binaries from here. So I have already downloaded, I will not download again. So this is the archive we will get after download completes. So what we have to do now, we will need to extract this, just extract this, and we will get the archive contents. Here is bin folder, config, libs, site docs and other files, license and notice. So what is the next step? So we have extracted it, and now we have to do, we will go to the bin directory of the Kafka folder. So you have to sorry so you have to open your terminal and just go to the bin directory here and list all the sh inside this. These are the content in this bin folder. So after that, because Kafka runs on Zookeeper, so we will have to start the Zookeeper server using this command. So I will just copy this command and paste it here, and just sorry yes yes so here what it says, there is an error, invalid config. So we have to provide the proper config.properties file here, zookeeper.properties file here. So this file is in the config, which is the parent directory, which will means config is in parent directory, and we are currently in bin folder. So we will have to give the proper path to the zookeeper.properties, and we will again start it. So you can see it is Zookeeper is started. So our next step is to start the Kafka broker. So using this command we will start the Kafka broker. Just open another terminal, go to the bin directory, and all the commands will be executed in bin directory. So you will need to go to the bin directory every time, and we will just copy this command start server and paste it. So now the path is yes, correct. Just start the Kafka server. Yes, it is starting. Yes, Kafka server is started, you can see here. So we have started the Kafka server also. Now what we have to do is to create topic. So this will be the command if you want to create a topic with name test topic. So I will create the topic in you will open a terminal, and in the terminal go to the same bin directory. So just paste this command and run this command to create one topic with replication factor 3 and partition 1. I will explain these description in my next video. I will publish the video. So just hit this command So you can see replication factor larger than available. Okay, so you have to change this replication factor to 1, because we don't have multiple brokers here. So you can see that created topic is test topic. What if we need to list all the topics in this? So you can list all the topics in this Kafka broker. So you will have to run this command. So only test topic is there in this Kafka broker. We have just created it. Okay, and after that, now we are going to produce the message and consume it also. So first, let me show you how to produce the message. So in this is the command to produce the message to the topic, test topic. So just paste it here and enter. So now console is listening for your input, and whatever the input you will enter here, and just click or just type enter, then one message will be produced. So test message we are going to produce. So this message has been produced. So what can we do now? Just to we have to consume this message through a consumer. So this is the command to consume the message. So because in this terminal there is already a producer is running, so we will open another. Let me open another terminal here. So in this terminal we will consume the message. Let me just change the view for you so that it will be easy to identify the message are consumed or not. So in bin command the same. So here is the command for consumer on this server local 9092. So 9092 is the port for the server of Kafka, and topic is test topic. On test topic, from beginning we want to listen. So and just enter, and let's see if it will consume the message. Yes, there we got a test message that we have already produced through the producer. So let me show you one again a demo. If I produce this message, yes, so in consumer you can see the demo is received again 1 2 3 4. So all the messages are received here, you can see. Okay, so I have shown you how to download the Kafka server and set up the Kafka broker. So I will also display you in the next video how the description, more detailed description of the Kafka broker. So till then, if you like my video, please subscribe it to my channel. So okay guys, thank you.